Hey y'all, remember me? It's been a while. Sorry. Let's see if I still remember how to griddle. This is the first nice warm day we've had in forever. Even our little pond at the bottom of the hill is full of water. We've had a lot of rain and winds and cold and blah blah blah. Propane's gone up, and I've had to lose weight to get my health back. So I've cut back on the griddling because I had to eat all that food I've been griddling. Anyway, look at these chops. A friend got us a box of meats from one of the local butchers, and I just can't wait to get into these, boy. So you may notice the griddle's smoking a little bit. That's okay. We can live with it. Seriously, darn leaves. Sorry. We seriously had a lot of rain. Oop, I don't need you yet. Lots and lots of rain. And, like, I don't know how much since, but, at one point we had over 13 inches in like a week's time. Maybe it was 2 weeks. We had a lot of rain. So there's water got through my cover. I got a hard cover and a soft cover, and it got through both. Somehow one of my knobs got knocked off even. Don't know how that happened. But we're here, and we got food. We got propane for now. Let's get cooking. Just look at them things, huh? Ain't they beauties? Listen to that sizzle. I've mixed the sizzle. Now I need whites. Okay. We're going to go with our homemade salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, Mrs. Dash, etc. blend that I made myself. And we're going to add a little mesquite flavor this time. Now, yes, I have been cooking before you ask. Of course I've been cooking, I've cooked inside in the cast iron. I've cooked inside in the, what did I cook in? I've been using the marrow pot a lot, the pressure air fryer. It's great for soups. I've been doing a lot of soups, lots and lots of soups, and you know, I've recorded some of them, but I know you don't want to watch me make soups every week. So I've also used it for chicken. It's great for fixing chicken or turkey breast, chicken breast, whole chicken. You pressure cook it, then you finish it off with some air frying. It is so moist. Moist. I know some people don't like that word. I like it just because it irritates others. Moist. So that's our chops. And you know what I'm gonna do? I dug out my party hat. I'm gonna put it on the chops. We're going to let them baste in their own juices. And give it a little time, and hopefully we'll finish before the sun sets completely. Hi again, hi again, hi again. This knob that got knocked off, it's lost a lot of its plating or coating. I'm gonna have to get a new Blackstone. Anyway, I'm flipping these over. The temperature on that dial that's knocked off is got it down actually at low right now. Probably turn it up a notch, so it'll be one notch above low, maybe two notches, maybe, we'll see. Taking my time, it's been a while, getting a nice sear on them. Looky there, looky there. I don't know, there's been kids, there's been cats, there's been dogs. Who knows what may have knocked it down or knocked over the... Could have been the weather, because the wind gets 50, 60 miles an hour sometimes. Our highest wind is 80, I believe, recorded since our neighbors put up a weather vane. But we'll make it. We'll make it. Even had my whatchamacallit, my grease cup was full of water even. It just, man, it soaks through the soft cover, and the top's not bad, but yeah, we've had some nasty stuff. In fact, last night, the winds, about this time, the winds picked up and you're doing 30, 40 miles an hour. But what can you do? What can you do? Anyway, let's give it some more time, and we'll be back. All right. Let's take a look. Yeah. They're starting to look like chops, aren't they? Smell good too. This one's, parts of it are done for medium. Parts of this are done for medium. I want to make sure my lovely assistant likes hers well done. And that one's reaching the point of well done. Let's do one more little flip here. Just look at that. Almost there. They aren't taking any time at all, so that's good. Another issue is, as you all know, it gets dark at like noon now. So I'm way early for supper, unless it's an early supper. But my lovely assistant, she's not going to be home from work for another 2-3 hours probably. And it will be dark 30. But it was too pretty not to griddle. And we have just enough light left to finish up. I don't know why I got the spatula ready. I'm going to finish these up, let them sit, and I may go ahead and have an early supper. Hold on. We'll have us some veggies, maybe some taters, I don't know. Looky there. Is that pretty or what? Darn right, it's pretty. Don't argue with me. That's gorgeous. So, that one's probably going to be hers. This one's probably going to be mine. We're going to turn this off. We're going to look at the sunset. It's already set behind the mountains there, but you get the idea. So, I still remember how to do it. Appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate you sticking by me while I missed some episodes, but I've been doing taste tests and such to try to keep you from getting bored and forgetting about me. So thanks for sticking, and thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, thumbs upping, hearting, whatever else all you social media people do when you like something. And I know you like everything I post. Right. Anyway, thanks for all that you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. And, oh, wait, the frogs are starting their nightly serenade. They love it when there's water in the pond. I don't know where they come from. But in another hour, it'll be so loud you can't hear yourself think. Anyway, so even the frogs are saying goodbye. We'll see you next time.